Today I want to teach you some Zomi language or Zopau. Lesson number 3. Zopau means Zomi language. E is English and Z is Zopau. Today I want to teach you number 1 to number 100. Number 1 is called hat. 2 is called ni. 3 tum. 4 li. 5 nga. 6 guk. 7 sagi. 8 giat. 9 kwa. 10 so. So hat, ni, tum, li, nga, guk, sagi, giat, kwa, som. And since we use the English alphabet and number, we are using the same thing like English. The only difference is that we call them with different language. 11 som la khat, 12 som la ni, 13 som la tum. It's going up like that. 14 will be som la li, 15 will be som la nga, like that. And 20 will be som ni. And then 21 som ni la khat, 22 som ni la ni. And it's going up like that. 29 som ni la kwa, 30 som tum, 40 som li, 50 will be som nga, 60 will be som guk, 70 will be som sagi. It's like that. It's all start with som. 90 will be som kwa. 100 is za or zahat. 100 is za or zahat. Thank you so much for listening, and this is from Zomi. And today is August 30th, 2014, 10:30 p.m. Thank you for learning Zomi. It's very easy. Thank you.